me, sir. Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now.
Little Black, hang on. Oh gosh. It's okay, Daddy. Mila! Mila! Quick! It's official. Oh. Stop. Why? So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
So chunky. I'm so sorry. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No. Okay, ow.
Not alone. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 700...
No. No.
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it? Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay. Hey. You go.
What are you doing?
What is going on?
Huh?
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno!
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah! You like getting baths? No. Why not?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god! Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so. Hey, what's up?
Who did?
Bad dog.
Unbelievable. No.
Let me in. Marshmallow. Get to the bed cam. Okay.
Es muy temprano para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rospi. Todo el pinche día me tuviste cagando.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Oh my god.
She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
Is the cactus your best friend?
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
No. You're evil. Evil. Oh!
Sure. Chucky. Sure.
Damn it, Chucky!
You are a fox. Funky.
You don't belong in there.
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Okay.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Go.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want tap? Ding.
My new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.
Oh, good boy. You wanna miss chomping the people?
What's that? What's that? Can you read this? Oh my god!
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Where did you get that? Careful.
His name is John C.
Și să nu-i plicuiești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
What is going on? This.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
Oh God.
Oh, hello. Hello.
No. Hey. Hey.
You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock. Good boy, Kenneth. Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
Don't try it.
No! Michael! Hey!
Gary.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Bro, there's no space. Come on.
Not with this one. Oh, bears.
You know what you did, Shane.
I'm gonna be home soon, okay?
Dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck.
La puntura.
Dai, bene, non te la fa più, dai.
Non te la faccio più, dai, basta qua adesso. La puntura.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
You guys, somebody get the fucking mouse. He's literally not scared of any of you.
No.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Winnie.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking...
Yeah. Yeah.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Mimi.
Why is it completely black? Like. Okay.
I said no, ma'am.
What's wrong with your eye? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? You guys wanna know how my dog's an actor? And scene. Oh, oh. It's okay, honey. It's okay. What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Oh, now you're fine. Oh, now you're hurt again. Oh, no.